Yes.
Okay, so it came as a shock today seeing that you're presenting yourself in court today.
Yes.
How did these developments come?
Well, we have complained to the court that our lawyers were mistreated by the judge and applied administratively to the CJ, the Chief Judge of the Federal High Court, to transfer the case file, but they refused. And my lawyer became very afraid that he can no longer represent me in this case and decided not to come. And some of them came earlier, but had to leave. So I opted to represent myself in the case, and I've asked the judge, as you heard in court, I moved a motion for the judge to recuse himself so that we can have confidence in the judiciary once again, particularly regarding this case. And he has graciously allowed the motion to go ahead. The learned Sikh who was representing the federal government also objected to the motion, but he could not discharge the motion. So the judge is going to rule on June 15 this month on my motion for him to recuse himself. If he decides not to recuse himself, we'll continue the trial. But it's going to be a very interesting trial. Yes. Yes.
Okay, so today proceedings seem to take a different turn as the judge was a bit lenient to you today.
It's not leniency. I came here to judge for justice. It's not a joke. And I took charge of my own trial. So I was telling the judge and reminding him of what he said in the case. You can't discharge this case on the basis of technicality. And as I agreed with the language of the law used in conducting today's proceeding, we are not here for a joke. And I reiterated to him also some important things about my life and the life of the country, including the fact that I'm a presidential candidate, which they rejected yesterday. Today they accepted it, that I'm a presidential candidate, and also that we have a date that has a relationship with us in history, June 12th every year. It's Democracy Day. So I have to prepare for that day as well before I prepare for the next hearing. So that's where we are. It's as simple as A, B, C. AC. And if they decide that we will go for trial, I'm ready. As you can see from the conduct of the proceedings today, that this trial will be an interesting one. I'm repeating, it's going to be an interesting trial.
And so if you don't find counsels, according to you, say you're going to search for counsels. If you don't find before then
it's very difficult to find lawyers these days. Election matters everywhere. If I can't find a lawyer, I'll represent myself. And it's as good as that. Yes. Trust that, as we always told you, if they won't let us have justice, we'll bring justice to the court. Thank you very much.
Revolution! As the revolution